Let's get happy, 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 happy. Welcome back to Saving Mamacita. Guess what, you guys? We are super excited, super hyped today because we have a brand new box. That's right. We've got a brand new box, Today is going to be super fun because this is a very unique and fun luxury box for you guys to check out. I'm going to do an unboxing of the Hippie Daisy Happy Box. It's time to get happy. A little bit about the Hippie Daisy Happy Box. Every month, your happy box will show up at your doorstep, bursting with joy and surprises. Each month, you are going to receive 5 to 7 unique products that we are sure that you will love. Shipping is a flat fee of $7 for US only. They are a family-owned business in Atlantic Beach, Florida. They handpick everything just for their boxes, and they love to give back. The subscription price starts out at $34.99 per box. And if you decided to commit to a longer duration, whether it be 3 months or 6 months, you are going to get a discount. Here is the box. It came like this in this black box. Unfortunately, it got a little beat up in the mail, but that is not their fault. I'm hoping that everything is okay inside the box. We will definitely take a look and see, but I'm excited nonetheless. I'm super excited. On the top, it has a sticker that says your Hippie Daisy Happy Box is here. www.hippiedaisy.com. And if you guys are interested in this box, if you see all the items in the box and you're like, OMG, I have to have this box, you guys are in for a treat. I have a discount code for you where you are able to get 10% off your first box. So stay tuned for that. Check the description area where I will list all of the items that are in the box, as well as that code for you to save that money. So this is kind of hard to open. Let me see. All right. Ooh. Okay. But here's what it looks like. It was wrapped in some tissue paper, that pretty sparkly kind, the happy paper. Got a little piece of paper here that says, welcome to your January happy box. Hi, we hope you will enjoy this month's box. We've included, and then it lists all of the items and some sweet treats. We are so pleased to have you as part of the Hippie Daisy tribe. Yay, so excited. Here is what it looks like. We've got a piece of paper here. Oh, okay. It has some fun little did you know questions. It gives you information about candies like Astropop, Now and Later candies, Swedish Fish, Razzles, 100 Grand bars, Starburst candies, Cadbury cream eggs, one of my favorite candies ever. The Starburst candy, unexplainably juicy, is the famous slogan for this retro candy, a perfect description for the Starburst candy. These chewy and fruity morsels of goodness first arrived in England in 1960. At that time, they went by a different name, Opal Fruits. Eventually, this candy would come across the pond, and upon their arrival in North America in 1967, they decided to call them Starbursts. And speaking of Starbursts, we have a few little Starbursts in here as well. It looks like we've got some fun. We got a fun little sticker here, peace. We've got some other stickers inside. This one has peace, love, namaste. Let's open that up. This one is super fun. Look at that. Couple little chameleons with the peace sign there. This one says, here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. Da, 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 da. Peace, love, namaste, and this one. Here we have a, oh my gosh, these are cute. Here's cute little earrings. Oh, wow. Look at these, you guys. Oh my goodness. I love dangling earrings, but even more so, look at the detail on these. Aren't those cute? Those are fun. Look at that. It's a tie-dyed planner. Basically, this one is 2022 to 2023, a 2-year small monthly planner. Always nice to have one of these to kind of throw them in your purse or backpack or whatever. Excuse me, look at these. Awesome. Okay, look at this, you guys. We got ourselves some cool shades. Peace, man. This, isn't that, oh, it's a little gnome. Oh my God, this is so cute. Finally, we have, this looks like a Decor banner. It says beautiful backdrops are everywhere, but fun souls, let's see, Fun Soul, this is the brand. This is a tapestry, I believe. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. How fun is this? This is huge, you guys. Look at this. It says peace and love. It has a guitar on it. How fun is that? Totally groovy, man. Woo! So that concludes the Hippie Box. What do you guys think? So unique, so much fun.
A few moments later.
Okay, so let's go ahead and do a quick review, you guys, and then we're gonna give them a rating. Are you ready? Go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. We got the fun tapestry, the planner, all of these fun stickers, cute little gnome, Starburst candies, and we've got these cool shades, man. Cool shades. Oh, and I forgot the earrings as well. Boom. These are so cute. We rate the box. We rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the variety of the box, the presentation of the box. We rate based on the value of the items in the box, as well as the presentation of the box. Looking at everything in the box, you guys, this was definitely unique. Definitely a lot of fun to receive. And I definitely see it as a great gift for somebody as well. So hit that drum roll, please. Your rating is a 6.5. 6.5. Definitely made me happy. I really enjoyed unboxing this box. I felt like the variety of the items was really awesome. So much fun. I had no idea what to expect. I knew that I was going to be getting some fun items. I love the fact that they give back to charity. That is super awesome. I love that it is family owned. They handpick every item for their box. I love that. Love it. I really feel like the price point is also very fair. A lot of subscription boxes do run between that $30 and $60 range, depending on the theme of the box and the amount of items inside the box. I felt like this was a great number of items in the box. I definitely am going to wear these. I am going to wear these. These are super fun. I love the little gnome, so adorable. This planner is something I would definitely use as well. And I have a feeling these stickers, my daughter's probably gonna snag these up away from me. Not so sure I'm gonna be able to use this. I don't know what I personally would use it for. Yeah, 6.5, congratulations. Thank you so much for sending me this box to review. I really, truly appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this box, please let me know down in the comment section. What would you rate this box? Let me know. I'm super curious to know what you think. If If you guys like the box and you want to snag it up for yourself, I have a promo code down there for you for 10% off your first box. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, notification bell. We will see you guys in the next video.